I'm not looking for robotics and automation to replace anyone. I'm looking to improve how we work. And I think every company should look at that. We're human. We can only do so much. Our energy gets drained, we get tired, we get less productive. So how can we use tools? Not even robotics, but different tools to improve our efficiency. I think the last year has allowed us to trust more technology, allow it more in the workplace, where we were, maybe worried of using automation and robotics, regardless of the price, to aid an employee or replace an employee. And now we're seeing, it may be a tool to help our employees and help our business. It's not there to replace anyone. So I really see technology as playing a huge role in many industries for many years to come.